So this work requires the handrail to be secured properly. Someone who done the job before in the past didn't do a good job. If you're looking on top, there's so many holes over there because they installed it incorrectly. They have missed the 2x4s in the back of this wall. This particular wall, you see the nails that's sticking out right there. So what I plan to do is I'm planning to draw a line here, and if you measure with the measuring tape, you see they're 16 inches apart. So you figure 16 inches from here, next 2x4 would be 16 inches going forward from one 2x4 to the other. Generally 2x4s are placed 16 inches apart. So I'm making a line, vertical line where the 2x4 is, so I could measure out to the next position of the 2x4, and it will help me nail or screw the bracket that came with this railing so that I could get this handrail installed correctly, and it doesn't make holes to the wall, or it doesn't really fall off. So I plan to install the handrail bracket from 16 inches from the 2x4 before it. So I'm marking it with a pencil, so I could always remove the pencil when I'm painting. You don't want to use a marker or a pen because the marking would stay permanent. It's really hard to get it off. So I got it right here. That's what the 2x4 seem to be, and so I think I'm gonna go ahead and install it because what's happening here is just want to verify 16 inches from there. Looks like the original place was very close to where the 2x4 is. They must have missed it for half an inch or maybe 1/8 of an inch. So I found the place where 2x4 needs to go, and I'm starting off with the railing because I want this bracket, or hanger, to be flushed against the hand railing as well as the wall. So my first screw is going in, and I'm watching. You get feel for it. I could feel the nail is grabbing into the 2x4, which is what I want. I don't want the nail to be just screwed on to the sheetrock because it's going to happen because from time to time by using the rail, the pressure of your hand will eventually loosen up the screws because it's not connected to 2x4. It's not screwed onto the 2x4. Rather, it was screwed onto the sheetrock. So you want to be careful that the nail is actually grabbing into the 2x4, not the sheetrock. So this is what you want to do. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.